How to automatically move items to another board in Monday.com. So the first step is by opening your web browser such as Chrome and go to Monday.com. Once you have done that, you just simply sign in with your account and then you should go to the board that you want to have this automation. For example, I will choose this one. So what you will do this time is by clicking on automate and then click on create custom automations. Click on the first option, click on status changes, and then you should click do something or change this one as well as this one. So you may choose status first. So for example, your status is done. And then once the item is turned into done, then that item or task will be moved to another board. So again, choose status and choose done for example. Click on the second option and choose move. So move item to board. So you may choose the item that you want by clicking on board first. So for example, I will choose the board where I will transfer that task, for example. I will choose this one. Then I will choose the item, click on done, and then click on create automation. Wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, you may now go back, and if you change this status to done, and then you change your board, example right here, as you can see now, the task or item has been moved to another board automatically. So that's all. That's how you can automatically move items to another board in Monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.